there's the other thing called process. Fuck, what is it called? It's called process. Oh, yeah. There's Z application process input. There's input state process input. There's vehicle motion process inputs. There's game app Pocoyo Racing Pro app process inputs.
Do those operate independently of each other, or do they all?
To be fair, game app Pocoyo Racing Pro app process inputs is completely stubbed. It's just a BLR. It's nothing.
Is it
So,
really?
yeah.
Wait, is the game also called Pocoyo Racing in Spanish land? Spain, that's the name.
Spanish
Spain?
land, yes.
Spanish land. Yes, because I've played the game in Spanish and I've seen Spanish gameplay of it. Yes, it is. Except I'm pretty sure the only significant change is that like everyone's name is different, obviously, and that's pretty much it. And
Okay, here's another question. What's the subtitle on SPMJP under the title?
It just says Super Paper Mario, but in katakana.
Yeah, Mario games do that a lot.
Yeah.
I guess English letters look cooler or something.
Yeah.
I mean,
I think that's like unironically true.
true. Yeah, it's kind of true for
Yeah.
like.
I know they try it for some games. Like Mario Sunshine actually has like the big block letters in Japanese and then like the title in English as the subtitle.
I mean, to be fair, like, we really can't judge because everyone and their grandma is wearing hoodies with, like, katakana on it. Like, people put katakana on everything.
It can definitely look sick, like, you know.
It does. But, yeah. To people who speak Japanese, English is what looks sick instead of katakana.
Guess so.
Enough. And yeah, it's why, and that's probably why the things like the Nintendo logo aren't in Japanese,
Yeah.
even in Japan.
The Nintendo logo... Yeah. Nintendo is actually called... Nintendo is actually written using the kanji in Japan.
It did have a Japanese logo at one point, though.
Mm-hmm.
Forgot what it looked like, but it did have one. But after they got mainstream, they just started using the English version everywhere.
I mean, liking how English looks is just like a property of every other country ever. Super Paper Mario is
Yeah.
also the German title. We don't call it Super Papier Mario.
Yeah, it's the same thing for French. We don't call it Super Papier Mario. Super Mario en papier. Like,
There we go. Super Mario en papier.
yeah.
So true. Alright, let me do this. 131.50. 131.500.
Like, imagine if SPM was just called Super Mario de Papel.
Super Mario de Papel.
Oh my god.
She can't be safe.
Dude, I'm sorry, like, I'm still shocked, like, just how many individual things track input. Like, there's input state, process input player, input state, process input globals, which are both called from the same function and do the same thing. There's Z application process input. There's game app Pocoyo Racing Pro app process input, even though that's stubbed out. And then there's the NI Wii input system that tracks both Wii remotes and GameCube controllers.
GameCube controller?
Yes.
Can't believe they're coding at the same quality as me.
Dude,
I just can't believe they have like freaking coding for GameCube options.
Yeah, they got NI Wii input system, update all devices, and it updates all 4 Wii remotes and all 4 GameCube controllers. And I looked in memory, the values are updated properly. So there is an entire GameCube mapping of this game.
Oh shoot.
And it's either you either have to activate it or it's just gone. Let me breakpoint the function actually and see where it's called from.
Dude, I
Of
think I just lost my run to the 90s.
Oh no.
Whoa.
Man.
It's called
Oh,
from
never
Z
mind. I
application
can
update.
gamble on red charms.
Yeah.
It's called from where, John?
Z application updated input. So yeah, Z application update input and input state, process input player, and input state process input globals. So those are 3 individual things that all track inputs in their own unique way. And then on top of that, there's the other one that's just... It was meant to happen, but it stubbed out.
Going to dissolve.
Oh no.
So,
I don't even want to save this as a PB because it's like the best chapter 1 ever. Awful.
You can like right click after it's done and then save it as a new file and then add your old PB as a comparison to the new file. That's what I did.
That would be smart.
That's what I did when I got 3 different 13804s and wanted to compare to a specific one of them.
Last T99. I'm not even ahead into Raptor.
Okay,
Right
never
now,
mind.
1 second ahead.
Oh, okay, never mind.
let's go.
Let's go.
Ahead.
So, are we back?
You like just PB'd already today, right?
Yes.
Right. Alright, let's see if I can not mess up the 1-1 grind for once. Or the squiggly grind. Same thing.
I'll probably do another run directly after.
Fair enough. Welcome to the top 5. How was your fall?
So we back in the pit got our pixels swinging.
I thought that was good. Made that my go live notification.
Why am I seeing ads? I got TTP All Pro. What is this?
Force it to it in frame 69. Like the 69 millisecond. How did you ram someone in that? Wait, what? Barely
For a
touched them.
moment.
Was it Sleepy Bird? It was. To be fair, this game has weird detection.
Shroom Shake already. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I despawned it before it killed the last guy. Oh well. I'll take a free Shroom Shake. I fucking missed the jump.
I would.
More squiggles, I guess.
Oh, you know what?
Makes up for the Goomba I missed earlier.
136.03.
Alright, here we go.
Space Forest is music.
Just a coin. Alright, here we go. Oh, that was close.
Yeah.
Ah, messed up the last two. Still 37k.
2208.
I'll take 37k.
Yeah, I will be right back.
Alright.
We will be right back after
That would have been a 40k if I hit the last two, but oh well. Still better than the 27k I got last round.
I mean, what'd you get?
37.9.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Yeah, I just fell off before the last two. That's it.
Ah, fair enough. That's still pretty good.
Still pretty good. Definitely good enough. Okay, so now time to do math with coins. If I pick up one extra coin, I can get 3 fire bursts and a shroom shake.
This is for Time Tunnel. Yes, that's for Time Tunnel. Yep. One. What is it? Here are 2 minutes. 157.83. 150.73. Ugh. 208.20. 208. 200.
Alright, perfect.
135, 18, 167. 135, 167. Can predict these like the back of my hand. I'm back. 133, 700. Time tunnel. Let's do it. It's the last level. One 45, 933. 45, 933. And then for the last track.
I just got a poison shroom from the zombie shroom. Oh well.
Alright, and then now to add these time tokens.
Me too, Justin. I'm just like trying it a few times while eating yogurt.
Yogurt's pretty cool. Wish I could just copy paste these times in here. Alright, not happening.
There we go.
Five, 6, 7. 151 1 0 0 1 5 1 0 0 131
F? Wait, what's EF?
Oh, that's very close.
Plus and minus.
Alright, good one, Ashley, for once. Let's go.
227 733 227 733.
Yeah, you definitely
try
can.
cutscene.
Although at that point, you might as well just do the 3D jump because it's much more understood.
I think that's a goal.
Justin, do you have a setup, or do you just, like, feel it out?
Okay. One in every, like,
12
12 attempts, I just get hit by that guy for no reason.
151 flat. 131 683. 226 flat.
Z application process input gets called a grand total of 0 times.
Of course it does.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do this more. Alright. So 140, 750. $147.50. 126 for right side. 126. Oh no, 126 467. Must have found one. 159 967. 159 967. 131 867. 144 883. 131 500. 153 400. 400. And 131 967. Now for the last 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. $130,683. 130,683.
Is this delta time? Oh no, it's just 0.
136.83, 128,400, 128,400, 156.83, or it's 783, 157.83. 208 200. away 200. 135. What is that for? 1, 2. Weird planetary. Weird. 135. 167, I think. 67. 133, 700. 145. 145, 933. 145, 933. And 204, 300. Alright. Final time is 21:26. Alright.
That's a lot of times.
Each of them. 41:26. That's with LRT. Oh, they submitted a 36 star too, like a few minutes ago. Oops, gotta do that one, I guess. Alright, let me get this run from them. Big run. Mine was a 41.
Remember when I got killed by Ragtail and had to use my life shroom like 2 hours ago? That was fun.
It was. Okay, this is a static function as well.
Can't take that off.
Alright, so just in this setup works decently well. I'm just not sure how... If we can set that up... Okay, now I'm just not sure how... If, you know, with all of the other guys around us, if we can set this up. This is pretty consistent. I would probably actually go for this in a run. Or at least that last run I would have gone for it, so I could have gotten sub 22.
That's all for Grand Prix 1. Apparently, they just submitted another one like 17 minutes ago. I play on RTA, so... Or, not RTA, but I play on console, so my time's gonna be...
Yeah, but I do have to align it with the cycles. If I just, like, do this, which is just randomly start walking,
It'll be the first...
I'll sometimes get it, but not consistently.
This is gonna be the first 36-star run, like in history. No one's ever done it. Really, all you have to really...
Like, that wasn't a skill issue, that was the cycles being misaligned. But if I align them properly,
This is 36 star. Did it get first on all 30?
I can get it every time.
Technically, this is a 36 star, but they're just doing it.
Alright.
But they're not
Yeah.
doing.
Yeah, that's pretty consistent. I'll go for it, I think.
I'll reject this run because you need it. And I might have to reject this because this isn't. Wait, what the? Never mind. Like, this is actually 36 star. I'm just being stupid. Figure out.
Oh wait, can we do this somehow just like this? We just
Oh, I'm an idiot. They just started the timer early. Fuck me.
yeah, we need a momentum gem.
Because the run doesn't start. Realistically, the run doesn't start till right here. Alright, let me calculate it real quick.
I'm gonna reset this and then see if I can get into the position at all from normal entry. Oh wait, I didn't anticipate the thing because it was, you know, like, can I make it work here? Okay. Probably a lineup there. Okay. I don't know what happened there. I remember that there was a spot, yeah, where nothing could spawn, so theoretically we can do this, and now nothing can spawn, and hopefully while we walk nothing can spawn, and there's something spawned. Huh.
$110. 833. Only gonna be 3 times anyway. There's an optional track for they don't get is they have to get first place in every single race. They don't instantly, so but they have to play an extra track.
Like, this is... manually jumping on all of them is very rarely, you know, work out. And I didn't even align the cycles there, just kind of went for it.
I do it upon you know. Do it on fade out to the screen.
I'll time. It's pretty consistent. I'll time it to see how much faster it actually is. slow attempt. Okay, so it was at like 23 seconds or something. Versus... That was not how you do it. What?
Wah.
Oh,
Okay, I didn't do the lineup correctly.
yeah.
How are you, holding up, John?
I'm chilling.
Let's go.
I just realized that there is even more input bullshit because not only is there the input device and the Wii pad, but there's the Wii pad Wii on top of that.
The what?
Wii pad Wii?
Yes, there is the Wii pad and then the Wii pad Wii that inherits from it
Yeah.
for zero reason.
Let's go. We love this game.
Yeah, and it inherits from
Hmm.
okay, it inherits NI object, NI ref object, and input WePad. So input WePad Wii
Yeah.
inherits input WePad, which inherits NI object and NI ref object. So it's not the same thing as an input device. So that's a different thing.
4 minutes, 12
Yeah.
seconds,
All right.
or 12, 45. Or 12.
Okay, so practically speaking, it saves like 5 seconds or 6 or something. That's.
Alright.
I mean, this was 15.
That's a new verification down.
Yeah, I don't know if it's worth it though. Because it's also kind of hard.
Getting new activity for the game. I love it. At least I'm done verifying these ones for now. Probably
I mean, yeah, I guess.
submit something else in like a few years actually. Hey, what the okay, we're moving on from that. Time calculation chart. I'm not putting the milliseconds on there yet because it's not needed for now. For times like in 24 stars, like where it's high, I need it there. Well, actually no. Actually no. I'm gonna place it on here. I'm gonna place it on here. It's a 4, 5, 0. I'm gonna place it on next place. And since these ones are short. There we go.
Oh, nice level.
Ones are not all-time trials is just how I time every single time. Like I just use the
So
in-game
free.
time and
Such a
recognize
free trick.
every single one of them as you go along, and I just add them up. Yeah, I just add them up, and you only get like one attempt. Put that in the rules, I hope. Oh, I need to put the rules. I have to make the rules more specific.
Rules for what? The racing game?
Yeah, category.
Cool. I hit Goomba.
Complete all-time shots for a win order as fast as possible.
Just in this right side setup might be kind of gamer.
Yeah.
Motor Olympics mode. The final trial of the combining week. You will only be granted one attempt each level run. Getting submissions are required,
There's no reason.
which should ensure the entirety gameplay. Session.
Oh, look at that. Instant cuts.
Alright, have to make sure I put that in there. Now people aren't going to be confused.
Me.
Boomer has been acquired. Why did I
Wow.
just flip 3D for no reason, bro?
It should be a lot easier to set up too, because it's in a spot where nothing can spawn.
Okay, here we go.
Yo.
Yo.
Hello.
Yo, what's up?
Yo, what up?
Please go in the door.
What was that?
What y'all doing?
I'm running pit.
Mostly
Reverse
Super
engineering.
Paper Mario Pit %.
Yeah, I'm reverse engineering some shitty racing game from 15 years ago.
Lovely.
Mario Kart Wii.
I was gonna say, I love Mario Kart Wii.
It's not Mario.
Unfortunately, this time it's not Mario Kart Wii.
Fortunately, this time it's not Mario Kart Wii.
If I have to ask, why?
Ask Sonic.
Maybe ask Sonic, this was your choice.
Alright, 38 seconds ahead into the pit.
Yeah, it's kind of your choice.
Look,
but
it has a symbol. It has a linker map. Okay, like, what do you expect me to do? You
That's
expect
fair
me-
enough.
Man,
You
I'm,
expect me to not reverse engineering? You expect me to not reverse engineer the game that Sonic has a leaderboard for that has a linker map?
fair enough.
Wait, also Phantom?
It has a debug elf with RTTI, and it matches the doll 1-to-1.
Phantom, what are you doing?
Egg, holy shit, give me that.
Oh, the 50% guide. Nice.
Let's finish this off. We've only got 20 minutes to go.
Nice. Also, Phantom. John got a 45.
Did you get a record? Ah,
No, he got close though. I think his time was a 45.3.
8-6.
8.6.
how far are you off the Sonic Storm?
Like 0.2.
Oh,
Record right now is a 6.5. What are you experimenting with John right now?
I'm trying to see if the keyboard controls actually map to the USB keyboard we can plug in the back of the Wii, or if it's just looking for like an actual like device driver on like a PC.
There's a USB keyboard that we can plug into a back of a Wii.
Yes. Well, you can plug
Every-
any USB keyboard in
yeah.
the back of a Wii.
Oh shoot, nice.
But yeah, the problem with this game is that it has like 4 distinct input systems. One of which looks for a gamepad, controller, and gamepad, keyboard, and mouse. Another one looks for keyboard and Wii remote. Another one looks for Wii remote and GameCube controller. And one of them is just stubbed, like it does nothing. It's
That's
called
just
process
lovely.
input, but it doesn't actually do anything. And for the one that processes keyboard and Wii remotes, it processes the inputs twice. One's for player and one's for global. There's a function called process inputs player and process inputs global. They're called one after the other and do the exact same thing.
Listen.
Oh, yeah.
Just from template? Any template? Okay, well now I need to get this fucking template. It's going now.
or Sonic, or Emily.
Hmm?
What would you give Room 92? You know, the ones with the ninjas, ninjongs, and ninjuri.
Man,
What
I get
rating
it
would you
excluded.
apply?
That is a very annoying
I
room.
mean,
Five
I
out of
feel like
five?
it's 3.5.
It's not a 5 out of 5. That's
It
a
is not a 5. It's like a. It's
A
I
4.
don't think it would be a 4. I think it's like a 3.5 or like a 4.
Yeah, I would say 4.
Are you guys like giving it like a
Okay.
Yelp review or something? Or
yeah.
4 stars.
Yelp.
4 stars, never going back to the pit again. Fuck that shit.
Service was good, bathrooms were clean, never going back.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see if this actually works.
I'll keep it 4 and 4.5.
Is my controller not? Oh yeah, I was playing Mario Kart with my friends. Mario Kart. This one is what we want. Mario's a cart? What the hell?
Mario can drive. Would you rather? Wait, what the hell is that? Would you rather have your attack or 20 Goombas spawn around you?
Okay, let's see if this actually works. Fucking hell. Okay. Well, I was told to use this instead of the function I was using before, but at least the function I was using before actually didn't crash.
Holy
It
shit.
actually worked, yeah.
It was the best
It
one
actually
ever.
worked. I don't know. I was told to use Entry from template. Yeah, that's what L. That's
Wait,
what
entry from template crashes?
L. In the way I'm doing it right now, yeah. I don't know why. I could be just doing something wrong here.
Perchance. Actually, hold up. Put that comment back.
Oh, this was just this.
Right. Okay.
I know this crashes because the null pointer, but
I see.
I pretend it's there.
So, go to NPC entry from template.
Like this, you mean, or like just?
Yeah. Okay, so it just takes in an NPC enemy template.
Mhm, yeah.
Go back to 20 Goombas effect. This crashes.
Yeah.
Do you have a crash log?
Like, I don't know. Do I? Like, you mean like it would just show up in here?
Yeah.
Or okay, yeah. Hold on. Let me just. I really need to add actual debugging features to this, but I'll do that when I feel like it. I'm gonna make an actual custom UI for this later, so it's not doing that. Here for this session. Oh, we get the thing.
Right. Okay. That's cool. So press pause.
Like, oh, you mean like this? Okay, yeah.
Yes. Now go to config.
Log configuration or
No.
oh
Regular config. Yes.
sorry.
Interface. Enable debugging UI.
Oh, I can just okay. I thought I had to
Yeah.
launch with dash D.
Nah,
for that,
that's what it used to be like. Okay, go to the code tab.
Mm-hmm.
You are in an assert.
Lovely. Well, what's our assert?
So, oh my gosh.
What?
I think I know exactly what assert it is, and if so, I think if so, it is really funny.
What is it? Oh boy.
Wait, let me
Like, I guess I could just crack open Ghidra, yeah.
Well, I think I know what it is.
Let's see if
I
your theory's
think
correct.
you're spawning. I think you're spawning all the Goombas with the same name, and you're hitting a duplicate name assert fail.
Oh, I had to give them different fucking names? What? Come on, let me in. What? Okay, that was weird. Is that listen, I've never had to spawn more than one enemy at a time. I didn't know that was an issue.
Well, I don't think that's a thing, but
Go ahead, Copilot.
what the fuck?
It's fucking Copilot being Copilot.
Oh, okay, I see. I'd say first of all, go to Ghidra to see if that even is the assert, because like
Alright.
I just pulled that. No, that's just gonna be a PPC hold.
Oh shit. Okay. Hold on.
Actually, no. Actually, that's probably not gonna be it. Either way, I know it's an assert.
Alright.
Damn.
You going to open Ghidra? Or are you going to take your sweet time and not do anything? There we go.
While it opens, I'm gonna get a different tree.
Let's see.
Actually, no, it's gonna be quite
Okay,
handy.
yeah, this is just PPC halt.
Go to the callback in the top left.
Yeah,
The
like
call
right
stack.
here. Alright. Copy address, take me to your leader. Let's see.
Assert, yep.
Okay,
And
that is
then
just
it's gonna
assert.
be the one before that, yeah.
Copy
That's gonna be
address.
the one.
Let's see.
Duplicate name, let's fucking go!
Fucking hell. Okay, what the fuck am I supposed to do to mitigate this?
Ooh, first
I'll
key.
be for real.
Where's the door at? There it is.
Actually, I don't know if you're able to just straight up give them instance names like that, or if it's a parameter or whatever. Try looking up in Ghidra. Go to NPC enemy from template or whatever.
Alright.
Yeah, in Ghidra. Alright, look at the xrefs and see what calls it.
Oh shit.
Yeah, you gotta scroll right. You gotta scroll
What do you
right in the listing view. No.
Oh, fuck.
Like,
Okay.
Okay, so you see the decompile view, that's where you are, and then the listing view with all the ASM.
Yep.
Yep. Scroll right, there's like a scroll bar at the bottom.
Oh, it's literally okay.
Yeah. These XREFs don't matter.
Okay.
None of those matter. That
Doesn't matter?
is the X-Tab index. That does not matter.
Okay.
And then you're looking at those two functions right there.
Okay.
Right. So. You can just like double click on them.
Oh, okay.
Alright.
NBC equals yeah access movement for the 3D.
Oh, yep. Okay. So this one does give it a. Oh, that's the one that spawns the staircase Koopa. I think, and I know NPC enemy template 8 is a Koopa Troopa, so it might not be that actually. Either way, this spawns a Koopa Troopa. Okay, go to the other one. Go to the other extra.
All right. Take me to your later.
Yeah, that's the function that you were calling.
Oh, okay. So I just need to duplicate the template and then do it myself. Okay, that's kind of what I.
No.
I'm back.
No.
Is that incorrect?
Scroll up.
Okay.
Oh, I see. Right. Scroll down.
Another vegetable? Oh my god, this is too many.
I was just assuming because of this, but
Yep, dot instancing. Okay.
Yeah, that's what
All right. So here's what you're gonna do, right? I guess you want to just replicate that functionality somewhere, like line 65 to 71, where you find like the next templated NPC ID or whatever, and then you just do NPC underscore that. Because you want to give, and then, yeah, to copy the template over, you can literally just create an NPC enemy template on the stack and make it equal to, or you could just memcopy actually.
yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Couldn't I just make a new like entry, not in the template array, and then just do that? Even it's telling me to do that.
No, it's telling you to get a pointer to the NPC.
Well, yeah, I get a pointer.
But you don't want a pointer. You want to make.
I know.
Okay.
Let me just. Okay, wait, no, that is just okay. I'm stupid. I don't want to do that. C drive, sure, yeah, and then I can just make this be this, and then we can just
Asterisk. There's a pointer star right there. It's no good. You're not looking.
Oh,
at
you mean
pointer.
Oh wait,
No.
oh wait. Okay.
You don't want to make a pointer. You want to create one on the stack and then copy over everything.
Yeah, true. Sorry,
I
I'm a
think
bit
you can
rusty.
just do. I think you can do Goomba template equal. I think you can do Goomba template equal NPC enemy template index 2.
It's too much.
All right. Oh yeah, that'll work because it's not a pointer. It's a okay. Yeah, that'll work.
Yeah.
That let me do instance
Name.
name equals, and then we'll just do fucking. God, how do I? It's fucking. My brain is.
I would say, well, because this needs to be different for every one of them.
Yeah. So I always forgot how to do this. It's like you fucking no. Shut up, I hate Copilot.
Just disable it.
No, yeah, that's true. I can just do that. How the fuck
Well,
do
there's
I?
the
I want
little
this.
Copilot dude in the bottom right. Next
Oh,
to
shit.
C++. And then,
Do not. No, I don't want code completions because it's fucking annoying. Thank you.
Alright.
I could just do like. I gotta remember how to. Sorry, I haven't touched
Fireworks.
C++
Oh, yeah, that's
in
fine.
a couple days, so I'm kind of behind. Just yoink the fucking
It's alright.
easy shit. That'll be. Yeah, it's sprintf. That's what I'm looking for.
Okay, that's that.
Yep.
Char. No. Const char.
Const.
Oh yeah, probably not. So it's
What is
it's
your
I don't know.
writing to it?
Yeah. No. Fucking.
Let me see.
Let me just do. Oh no, because it's an array of choice, so we want like fucking, I don't know, give it fucking, let's give you 64, whatever.
You now have an array of 64 char pointers.
That is true. That is true. Oh yeah, because not pointer, fuck right. Sorry. No, I get, whenever someone watches me code, it's like my quality of code gets like triple worse because I'm fear of like
It's
messing
okay.
up.
It's
So
okay.
real.
I swear I'm not laughing at you. I'm laughing because I do the exact same thing all the time.
Fucking, okay, you know what? This is the good part of Copilot. I can just click this and it'll import it for me. Thank you. And we just sprintf. What's his name? Sure.
I did not just watch you import CSTDIO.
Well, I just did. I don't know. Is that not good? I don't fucking.
Nah, you gotta import MSL slash stdio.h, and the same for cstring. MSL
Oh,
slash string.h.
shit. Okay.
Because that's
well-
from SPM headers.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, hold on. Let me fix that. Then I've just been doing that. And then we're gonna replace that with our this one.
Same for CSTDIO.
Yeah. I got it.
Okay.
Well,
Okay,
cstring.h.
I'm
Cstring.h isn't a thing. You're looking for cstring or string.h.
Hold on. Oh, yeah. Okay.
MSL cstring.h. You just fucked it. Just cstring.h isn't a thing.
Okay, hold on. So, yeah, okay. There we go. Fucking, you can shut your mouth. Thank you. Listen, okay. Now I just have to.
Look for any instances of cstring.
I mean, any instances of C string? Oh, it's also here. Right.
Yeah, the reason why it's better to do this is because this will link to the standard library functions that are already in the game.
Okay, so don't.
Yeah,
don't
otherwise you're just taking, like, new standard library functions and, like, compiling them and putting them in your own RelMod.
Yes. That's in printf. I have to fucking. I know I can just use using, but it's too late. I'll go back and fix it later. Okay, we want sn printf.
Oh,
That's kind of clean.
Is this you?
Uh,
No, that is.
that is string.
Yeah. Just to
Connor,
compare.
did you verify the run yet?
wait, what?
Did you get done verifying the Grand Prix All Tracks run?
Oh yeah, I did.
You run?
He also submitted a 30.
Oh, was that stir and compare? I think that was stir and copy.
Oh wait, you're right.
Isn't runs? But
And that's just
right
okay.
now he's at third place on no star boards. Behind Lando, I think.
Get me out of here.
If this effect does get spawned and there's already a.
If there's already a 20 Goomba effect,
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I could just do like a. I have to defend on the H file. Oh, fucking, I hate this language.
I made this stupid.
well, hold on now.
Hmm?
Because, first of all, scroll down. You're doing, first of all, you're doing %s for I, which is very
Oh, wait,
clearly
you're
an
right.
integer. Yeah. Second of all, you are planning to have the 20 Goombas effect at the same time, right?
It's like. Well, all the Goombas spawn at the exact same time, but it's like,
Well,
if like.
Like, there's a
you get the
chance
effect
that there
twice.
are two 20 Goombas effect happening
Yeah,
at
that's
the
what I
same time.
mean. So I'm thinking adding just a static
So,
variable that just
I think
offsets.
you're overthinking this. There is a function in the game that calls NPC entry from template that does come up with a unique name for each NPC entry.
Flim actually had a Thunder Age, thank the
It's
lord.
right there.
Oh, wait, you're right. AC stack. Where are we? Yeah. PC Vard. Oh. Is this? I don't remember if that. I think that one's linked. I guess
Actually,
linked.
maybe check. Maybe have a look at NPC DRV WP. You can just double click that in the Go to NPC work, and then can you hover over next templated NPC ID just to see what offset
Up
it's
here
at?
or down here?
No, like in the decompiler.
Oh, like.
Yeah, offset 14. Okay, so just scroll down Xerox 14 in the listing until you get it.
What did it be named?
Oh, there it is. Yeah, your Ghidra window is really small.
Sorry, I can just. It wasn't full screen.
Alright, so next templated NPC entry. It's called on NPC init, NPC reset, NPC entry. Double click on NPC entry.
The first one?
Yep. Oh, it does that. It current NPC ID equals next templated NPC ID. Next templated ID. Okay. So I guess this just is a counter that goes up.
That's what I assumed.
Yeah. And just to be sure, go check the xrefs of this to make sure NPC entry from template actually calls this.
Okay. Oh no, that should be. No, wait, no, because that's gonna be taken here.
Yep.
Yep.
it is.
Okay. Yeah.
Alright, so yeah, you can straight up just use that.
Alrighty. Okay. Just gotta do fucking. Okay, well, first of all, I gotta get the.
This one's actually cooking right now, holy shit.
Probably make like a slide view document
If I just go here, it won't come up.
on which level has what stage, because I think I only know levels 1 and 2 on what stage.
That
they're.
should not be possible. Hold on a minute.
You mean it should not be possible?
Oh, hold on. Go to npcdrv.h.
Against the clock.
Yeah, scroll down to like functions and shit. Yeah, just keep scrolling. Yeah, just keep scrolling.
30. No, it's there.
Scrolling.
Yeah, but just whatever.
Keep scrolling. Oh yeah, NPC get work pointer is what you should call.
Oh shit! I didn't even know that was a fucking function. Okay.
Yeah, you just kind of have to know that like every single work in SPM, or every single driver in SPM, has a get work pointer function.
I see. Okay. Alright, that's apparently that's only, I swear I used that before, but okay. Let's see. Let's take a look. You're gonna scream at me
First
because
key again.
it's not used. Oh wait, no, it isn't used. Fuck, that is true.
First key Daisy room 2 runs in a row, we take those.
Okay, don't I need to free this? Don't I have to like do shit like that? And... No.
This is allocated to the stack.
Oh, true. Yeah, because we're being yeah.
Yeah.
It's unused variable gum. Okay, well I might as well just put him in the right position.
But so what happens is there's the stack that is just a region in memory, and at the beginning of your function,
Yeah, it's
goes...
I know what the stack is. Don't worry.
Okay.
I know what the stack is.
It adds X many bytes and then removes X many bytes at the end of the function. and shit. Yeah,
It's basically
alright.
just temp storage.
Yeah.
Okay, let's
You only
see.
gotta free it when you call new.
Can I get something bad? Dude! Stop. Okay, there we go.
Stock photo.
Well, they're
Oh.
there.
All
They're
of
not
them.
All of them are there. They're not exactly doing anything.
Oh, yeah, I guess that's a problem.
Okay.
Hold on, I've had this issue. This is the issue I had before with the last thing. If you just fleep them... No, I don't want to... Sure. What key is that? That's... Why is my...
It's gonna be a great comparison up until the end.
Why is my X key non-functional? Why can't I... Okay. If you do like... Oh! Do this, and they'll like unbreak themselves. So it's just something with like... Yeah, you see? I don't know why the hell this happens. I need to fix it.
Dude, that was the sound of 17 Goombas just dying.
That is... I've spawned more!
That was
Don't worry! I've spawned more!
Sonic,
Yep.
Alright.
Sonic
Kind of
Junior
weird
right?
though that
That
they
was so
don't get
bad. Oh my
initialized in like the right, in the right state.
Yeah. And I don't...
64.
Ooh, that's
Fuck
good.
me. 64.
Sonic.
What's up?
Chat, do you agree with this rating?
Wait,
I wonder if I just
Wait.
set like...
what'd you say, Phantom?
Do you agree with this rating?
97 in...
Yeah.
Infinity out of 5. Yeah.
Set this to 1. I don't care enough to actually reference it.
Yeah, I'm good with that rating.
No, seriously? Bruh.
You gotta do
I
SPM,
have
NPC, DRV, and
That's stupid. It
because
literally-
is
it means
defined?
one.
Oh no, it's okay.
It means 1 though, that's foolish.
Yup.
Yup.
That's
You
bad.
know what I'm
That's bad.
talking about.
Yeah, walk. I think I've tried this before and it didn't work, but we're gonna try again.
It could be a 0 infinity though.
I need that start and that ending to combine. And then I have it. Cause I literally got a
Nope.
Nope.
0.64.
And now the game is lagging. Oh god.
Oh my god, that shit tickled my ear.
It's great. I love it. Shit tickles my ear. It's great. I wonder if it's not like the script, like the starting script isn't being activated or something.
Dang it, I
I
went
don't know
too
why
wide.
they're just like not walking around. Oh, you think maybe they're all just like
That's bad.
maybe they're all just like bumping into each other like forever, and because they're like
Oh,
floating
that is-
perfectly on the same thing.
That is true. Okay, well,
that's a possibility. Like
it should be. It should not be doing that. Is it?
maybe
No, 'cause-
add like
Yeah. Hold
oh
on. I
wait,
can
your
just...
position's never changing.
Is it not? No, because
No.
shouldn't. Then we're adding this.
Can you practice that turn?
Is it-
that...
Oh my god, it is. No, because times I. Angle equals times pi times I divided by 20. Is that not?
Oh boy.
Am I foolish? Hold on. Let me. Because maybe I am just stupid.
2 times 5 times 5.
Just.
Dude, this is actually a... What time is this gonna be? It's like a 6-5 or something.
This is functional.
I'm gonna record it. I don't even know. And I don't want to get this ghost ruined. Ugh, I know exactly what to do now.
Can't I have to go to the 0-0.
The other place.
Oh,
Oh, they're
yeah,
all over there.
I see. Yeah, but they're not moving.
I'm gonna take the.
Okay, so it has nothing to do with that. Awesome.
Yeah. I also cannot. Or no. Oh yeah, no. Setting their movement lets me jump on them, but they don't
Yeah.
actually move. So which is why I think it's like. That's why I think
actually,
it's like the script not being initialized or something.
Go back to Ghidra. Because when it loads NPCs from a setup file, and it like in the load in that setup enemy function, that it ends up calling NPC entry from template. and it ends up having, you know, the enemies move, because when you load into a
Yeah.
level, you can see the enemies moving. You're in NPC entry right now. Yeah, go to NPC entry from template, and go to its xref to see,
Fuck have I gone? What?
you're in the middle of the function. There you go. NPC entry from template. There,
Oh, boy.
yep. And then, yeah, GG, and then NPC entry from setup enemy. So you can see right there,
It's insane.
Oh my god. Dude, I just did the super boomer on the Cursius and got 4 poison mushrooms.
so that's
Damn.
They're all over the floor.
Position,
yeah.
instance ID.
all the scripts are done by default because you know the whole like copying the template thing.
Yeah. Got that, and that.
6-0. Okay, new record by 1 millisecond. Let's go.
And then some
Can't believe I actually beat that.
unit
Fun.
work not. It could be no, because that's just copying that.
6-0 is nuts. That ending was weird though. I have to watch that back.
Some angle degrees. What a great name.
True.
Some angle degree. That seems like an awesome name.
Truly is. Yeah, I'm not too
Yeah, I don't know.
sure. What if it's specifically entry? What is entry number 177?
I don't know, but if it's well, it has to be the triple gold bar.
Trap. Oh yeah, the trap gold bar. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know why it's labeled like that, because as far as I know, it's not a trap of any kind, and it's not used ever. It's just a sprite of a triple gold bar. Would be interesting if it were like an unused DVT script that used that, or something like that.
Hmm.
There are setup files for maps, for like test maps that are gone, and the setup files are still there. Yeah, I don't think any of the MISC setup data stuff is necessary.
I assumed. Mario Art. Yeah, fucking. What's this?
yeah,
If entry position is less than. Okay, that's just.
wait, what? If
Maybe it
Mario-
is. Maybe I do.
Oh, this is like flipping it, I think. It's checking if its X position is smaller or greater than Mario.
I know I don't want that. I wonder if it's because it's not being set to a 1 or a 0. Maybe that's why it's not working.
Well, I think it's
Oh.
0 by default.
I mean, a 1 or a -1. I mean, okay, this is at 50. Is this, do I just have this?
Okay.
No, the fuck I don't. Okay. Oh. This is
Yeah, this is giga outdated.
get out the motherfucker. Can I like access it with using just like?
Alright. I need to watch that back. Like now. Because I don't know what I did. Let me watch this. Give me a minute. Okay. The intro was fine.
I don't know if I can just access it like this. But
I bounced off of here.
Is it 5C?
that's not 5C. It's 5
Got
0.
their angle.
No, it's 5-0 in the MISC setup, but it gets copied to whatever that is in the NPC enemy template. Check the assembly side. Oh, it's 504.
Oh, that would be.
Wait, no, it's not. 'cause
Not that
that's
big.
68 big. No, go back.
That was close. Okay.
I can just.
Oh, because it's setting the NPC entries flag 0, field 0, 504.
Can I even beat that time again?
Yeah, this is the NPC entry.
Oh, this is the NPC entry. Oops.
NPC ma.
I think I did actually kind of. Did I? We are. Okay, we need to go.
504, it's not there.
Who the shit's 504? Because this is 508.
Wait, 4F4, 508, 4F4, bro. Someone updated this and did not update the comments.
Huh.
Yeah, 3B0, 400, 3B0, bro. Who did this?
It was me.
SMH.
It was me. I did that.
SMH. Doesn't matter though, the actual thing is fine, but...
Okay, well, which one? Because 508. I don't know, maybe I'm stupid, but I'm pretty sure 508 is bigger than 504.
It is.
And there doesn't seem to be one that is in the range, but because it looks like because that's where the shits are, unless this is the one that's where it start. Is the second number where it starts? Is that correct?
Yes, that's where
Oh.
the unknown data starts, and then that's when the unknown data ends.
Okay, that'll explain it. Okay, well I can just do this instead. We do 504, and then we set this to 1, and let's hope that this works.
Well, hold on, because you're looking at an array of bytes, not an int.
That's true. Okay, fuck. Which one of these would be good? Because it's okay. Well, first of all, how big is our buddy here? How big is our?
That's a store word. That's a store word, so that's 4 bytes.
Okay, 4 bytes.
Now,
Okay.
what I would
let's-
personally do is go to npcdrt.h. You see where it says 0x508 minus 0x44? Make that for 504. That means the unknown shit ends at 504, and then they add a new line.
Let me just do a.
Well, you gotta add the comment that says what offset we're at. We're at offset 504 right now. And you get an int, or
Just
what,
int.
well,
Basic
no,
ass int,
don't,
or like.
don't use an int, use like, whatever it is.
Well, it's a word. It's a word. I
Well,
guess it's-
go back to Gidra, actually. Well, it's, oh, it's signed, because it's -1. Okay, S32.
okay. Let me do.
Just name it whatever.
I guess I'll just call it. Fucking
Dude, are you
this.
Well, 0x50 means that it's from the MISC setup data's field 0x50 being copied into here.
What?
Okay, so there's a struct called MISC setup data v6. That
Oh, that's the MISC. Okay.
yeah, that thing, that MISC setup data, that thing's field 0x50 gets copied into here. You can see that on line 101. Line 100 or line 100 and 101. So that's why it's called MISC
Okay.
MISC setup data 0x50.
Well, I can just direction maybe I hope. That's what I'm calling it.
Fair enough. That works.
And we set you to be 1, and bada bing bada boom. Let's okay, or just don't run my script.
Get out when that happens.
I
God
love
job.
God job. It was like 4 in the morning. You have to
Fair
understand.
enough.
I was very tired.
Bad job. I
Let's
I
see.
just like how that sounds.
Are you moving? No, that was all for nothing.
No.
Awesome.
Look at the
Well, maybe it's because the move modes are set. Maybe I also.
Well, because the other one also doesn't set their move modes. Hold up, let me. I'll hop on.
mayors.
All right.
Yeah.
I'll keep
Well,
throwing shit at the wall.
all right. Because like the thing about move modes is that the other function also doesn't set their move modes.
Oh, I'm an idiot.
Yeah, which is weird, but I don't know. Maybe there's some secret place they're setting it or something.
Yeah.
Maybe in the secret Goomba club that modders can't access.
I'm a fucking
Because
idiot.
From what is
Just
it?
got last
NPC
key
entry
86.
from
you know,
template. Yes.
And it was in a Magic Koopa.
Sonic, I was gone.
if that doesn't work, but I can still jump on them. So
What are you up to, Moonrise, by the way?
just no
I'm
move
still
on.
testing if this is consistent enough for me to want to go
That,
for it.
and then this is
Nice.
something.
I'm just playing
Oh, it might be
I'm just playing
Axis movement
poker
unit?
racing, pretty much. I did beat Mirrored Fair by one millisecond.
Oh, Mirror Fair. That's great.
This is
Yeah.
a...
Second time on Mirrored Planetarium actually.
Oh, maybe this will work.
I don't think I can get the sub though. I don't expect myself to. At least not now. 1%.
No, I don't want this.
Fuck off.
I'll try this.
Why am I getting
You know,
only
I'm
last
gonna
keys?
override that
No.
save file. Because it's...
Alright, Gimba.
I
Dude,
like brown goblins.
I'm losing time to my 6-minute 80 split. Oh my god.
I like brown goblins.
Me too.
Nope, I've just made them face the other way. That's lovely.
Awesome.
Arms up.
I'm actually gonna need these runs.
Wait, did you make them face the other way by setting it to -1?
I set the Axis movement unit to 1 and it made them face the other way.
Yeah.
That's all it did.
Maybe something about the unit work or something like that. I don't know.
It might be, but unit work isn't being touched. Like,
Yeah, but
I'm
like
so
at the
mad.
same time, it's taken from the setup data, which can.
well,
just
I don't
be
even think
whatever.
it's something in here because when I was calling this directly, it didn't move. I was still facing the same issue.
Oh,
So I don't even
Yeah.
think it's in this function really, which I just now remembered.
well,
Which I-
the thing is, that function is made to load enemies from setup files. So I don't, yeah, so like, there's no reason to call that if you don't have a setup file.
Oh,
But
God, I don't
also-
fucking know.
Yeah. Whatever unit work this is, yeah, it comes from the setup data, which means it comes from the enemy in the setup file. Yeah, so it's direct 60.
That was a good time though. Nice hitting.
Wait, do I have the SPM, like... Yeah, yeah, the level editor.
Video on 15,000 views. That's nice.
What am I fucking doing?
SPM setup. The first room 1-1. How many bytes is this? Of course it is. Of course it happens to be exactly 60 bytes. Or hex 60 bytes rather. I wonder why this is yeah. All this is 0. And then
Oh shoot, you're on the last you're on the last room, Phantom? Nice.
okay.
What are you doing after this?
I assume Franklin's gonna go back to 20 to 30. No, 30 to 40.
Oh wait, has he not undone those ones yet?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Ooh. I love this
I'm actually gonna...
music here. It's so good.
This entry from template.
Dude, I can't believe this. I got a 7-minute 80 split and I just lost the entire run.
Damn.
Damn.
Sort of
So NPC entry from template does set the move mode to NPC move walk no hit,
79.
and then it also calls the on spawn script.
like directly. Alright.
That-
Or is that
Well,
in
that's-
NPC edit entry? From
Yeah.
template?
Yeah, that's an
Oh.
NPC entry from template.
Okay. Well,
Like my only guess is that you're like somehow not copying the template right, but I don't think that's possible. I'm pretty sure that is exactly how that works.
yeah.
I mean, I guess you could try mem copying.
Alright. Let's try it. Just do this. Motherfucker, give me my mem copy.
Okay,
MSL.
hold up, key.
Oh.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm-
SDIO, I think.
I have the gold to PB. Wow.
messed it up.
Yeah.
I-
That's-
I-
No, it could be string actually. Oh yeah, it's string.
For mem copy?
Yep, it's stupid, but yeah.
Wait, okay, now what are the destination? Okay, so destination is this. Source is this. I gotta make these be the motherfucking and then size is. Should you do size of this or no? Because we need to do size of the class.
Size
Bro.
of.
No, wait, shit, right.
It just gets like a random boost of bounce or whatever.
Let's see that. See if that functions. Because I would be surprised if that is the problem. I've had some
Darn it.
mystery junk happen before.
I would be surprised, but I wouldn't be surprised, but
But you would be surprised.
yeah, I don't know. No.
Nope.
Okay, no, it absolutely does not.
Okay. Well, I'm keeping the mem copy because it makes me feel cooler.
Alright.
Well, alright. That was stupid.
Hey everyone, get your arms down.
Super Paper fucking Mario, why the hell do you suck?
Super paper. I don't know, I found that funny.
Oh, room 100 down.
What's that head? I don't even know. It's like a tie. Yeah, that is a tie. With my Unghost at least. It's your favorite track.
So what if I just try if we do let me just try this.
Shouldn't do that. It's not a setup enemy.
Huh?
Shouldn't do that because it's not from a setup enemy. It's not from a setup file.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Basically.
Okay, what if I just try spawning a completely and utterly different, like, let's go, someone give me an ID.
290.
Hold up.
27? Okay. I swear to god, if 27 is just another Goomba, because half the entries in here are just Goombas.
It's not a Goomba.
Okay, good, good.
It's an interesting one.
An interesting one, oh boy.
An interesting run.
Okay, thank you.
Golly jeez.
Oh! Yeah, no, these guys aren't even functioning either.
Wow. good
Or
game.
have any collision.
Yeah. NPC move walk no hit does that, I guess.
It's like